Yes guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be installing and removing the old ignition coil pack, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing to remove the old one and fit in the new one. So let's get straight into the video. As you can see, this part is the ignition coil pack. See, there's 4 screws, like one there, and then 2 in the back over there. You can see one there. I'm going to be removing that and placing the new one, and just remove this liquid, remove this sensor. Yeah, these screws are T25. See, this one is T25. This is the new coil pack here. It's the old one. I'll be installing the new one here. I'll show you how to do it. Just remove the 4 screws. So I've got 4 screws. Behind the corner down there, I just unplugged all of these plugs here, and then remove the screws. Now I'm going to take this off. Once you've done that, make sure to remove that sensor over there as well. And make sure to put the plugs in the right ones in the new one, in the right place. Just remove the old one and put the new one in. All I need to do is pull it on, and then that's it. Yep, I'll fit the new one in, as you can see there. Make sure to plug in the sensor as well, and that's the old one. And more mods coming to the car as well, and I hope you like the video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more car content as well, and I'll see you in the next video.